Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about the iPhone SE. Now, iPhone SE 2020 is the latest budget smartphone from Apple, and finally we actually get a true budget smartphone from Apple. Now, normally, historically, when Apple releases a budget smartphone, I'm not really that happy about it. For example, the iPhone XR, it did have a powerful processor in there as well. It had an average display, but it had a premium price tag, which was $750 plus tax, so almost $800. Now what we have here is a true budget smartphone with a powerful processor, and those are the two highlights for this phone for me. It's got the A13 Bionic processor, which is the same processor you get in the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's their flagship model, over $1,000. It's crazy, you can even edit 4K videos and export them on this phone, even though it is only $400, and it's gonna do all that with no hiccups, no lag, no stutter. Faster than most Android smartphones can do, and expensive ones. That's the power of the A13 Bionic chip. You can play any game, demanding games, or demanding apps flawlessly. So it is a powerful literally little smartphone. It's only 4.7 inch screen, but it's only $400. That just makes sense. Again, with the iPhone XR, I was not happy with that product. Even though it was a success, I was still not happy with it. It was $750 and it was supposed to be budget. Now I got the iPhone SE. It's $400, powerful processor, average display, and overall total solid package for people that want to save money but still want to own something powerful. That's what the iPhone SE is, and it's going to sell among people that have always desired to have an iPhone but thought they were too expensive. Now you can get this one. You can get a lot of the perks and benefits of an iPhone, of an Apple ecosystem, for an extremely low price. For example, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that want the iPhone. Kids, they want the iPhone, but their parents might tell them, hey, I can't buy you the iPhone because it's too expensive. Now they actually have a choice. Okay, so when somebody requests an iPhone as a present, you can actually go buy it. And again, I want to remain focused on two of those benefits. The low price and the powerful processor do make this a solid choice to buy. Now, let's be very clear. If you are a flagship guy, if you want the latest Galaxy phone, if you want the latest iPhone with the top-end specs, the top-end camera, and all kinds of flagship features such as wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, you don't want to get the iPhone SE 2020, obviously. You want to get your flagship so you can have all your features. But if you're looking for a phone on which you can do everything basic, making phone calls, text messages, taking a bunch of photos with your friends, and on top of that, being able to play the latest, most demanding games and apps on your phone, the iPhone SE is the perfect package. Sure, it comes with sacrifices, but for that low price, you are getting a lot. For a consumer looking at an affordable price, they also want something useful for that $400. The iPhone SE, I think, is the perfect value for the dollar. So that's my quick opinion on this product, and I want you guys to let me know what you guys think. Remember, as you make your comments, you may hate Apple or you may love Apple, but you have to understand the phone. Look, I like Samsung smartphones better than the Apple smartphones, but when I see a good deal, I can tell you that's a good deal. So I want you guys to drop your comments down below and let me know what you think. Anyway, guys, that was a quick video update on the iPhone SE. For now, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.